Welcome everyone. Today we are here to discuss an exciting topic: big data analysis.
The term big data refers to large, complex sets of data that traditional data processing methods cannot adequately handle. This explosion in data has created a need for innovative techniques and tools to extract valuable insights and make informed decisions. One of the key highlights of big data analysis is the ability to
harness the power of machine learning algorithms.
These algorithms are designed to automatically identify patterns and trends in data,
allowing us to make predictions and take proactive steps to improve business outcomes. Another advantage of big data analysis is its potential to improve customer engagement.
By analyzing customer behavior and preferences,
businesses can tailor their marketing efforts to individual customers, resulting in increased conversion rates and overall customer satisfaction.
In addition, big data analysis can also help organizations streamline operations and improve efficiency. By analyzing real-time data, companies can identify and address issues before they become major problems,
leading to reduced costs and improved productivity. However, it is important to note that the adoption of big data analysis has its challenges.
One of the main obstacles is the cost of acquiring, processing, and storing large amounts of data.
However, as technology continues to advance, the cost of accessing and analyzing big data
is expected to decrease, making it more accessible to a wider range of businesses. In conclusion, big data analysis is a powerful tool that can provide valuable insights and drive business growth.
By leveraging the power of machine learning and advanced analytics,
companies can unlock new opportunities and improve their competitiveness in today's rapidly changing business landscape.
So, as the data landscape continues to evolve,
embrace the power of big data analysis to stay ahead of the curve.